The following video will demonstrate the proper procedure for replacing and cleaning the printhead on any 4 or 6-inch T6000 thermal printer. Power off the printer and remove any rings and other metallic objects from your hands prior to replacing the printhead. Then open the pivoting deck by rotating the deck lock lever fully clockwise until the deck swings upward. If ribbon is installed, carefully pull it aside to the right and slide the printhead release tab to the right to release the head assembly from under the pivoting deck. Unplug the right cable by pressing down on the connector release tab and remove the power cable from the printhead assembly. Then unplug the controller cable from the left side of the assembly and set the old printhead assembly aside. Install the left cable and then the right cable on the new printhead and position the cone-shaped guide pin under the center of the pivoting deck and push it upward until the retaining clip locks into place. Verify the cables are not in the way below the pivoting deck where they can interfere with the path of the ribbon. Before resuming, you will want to clean the printhead surface using the Printronix thermal printer cleaning pen or an alcohol wipe to remove any fingerprint oils left behind during installation. As a reminder, do not use any hard or sharp objects when cleaning the printhead or platen roller. Additionally, the platen roller can be cleaned with an alcohol wipe. Reinstall the ribbon and close by pushing down on both sides of the deck. Then power on the printer. Use the gray print test under the tools menu to verify all the elements in the new head are functioning. For additional T6000 product information, visit PrintronixAutoID.com.